It was just a few months ago when I found myself in your shoes, preparing for an interview with a company as remarkable as the Adani Group. I remember sitting in this very spot, researching, practicing, and imagining how I'd answer those all-important questions. Today, let me take you on a journey, my journey, and share some invaluable insights that can help you stand out in your Adani Group interview. The first thing I did was dive into Adani's story. Did you know the Adani Group was founded in 1988 by Gautam Adani? What started as a modest trading company has grown into a global giant with operations in energy, logistics, agribusiness, and even data centers. I was fascinated by their commitment to sustainability and their vision of nation building. Knowing this helped me realize one thing: if you want to impress your interviewer, you need to show them you understand the company's values and ambitions. Now let's move on to the questions you're likely to face. Picture this: you walk into the interview room. The panel looks at you and says, "Tell us about yourself and why you want to work with the Adani Group." What would you say? Here's what worked for me. Instead of just listing my qualifications, I connected my aspirations to Adani's mission. Something like this: as a passionate individual with experience in your field, I've always admired Adani Group's commitment to sustainability and innovation. I'm excited to contribute my skills to projects that not only drive growth but also create a positive impact on society. This showed them that I wasn't just looking for a job, I was looking to be a part of their story. Let me share another moment from my preparation. If you're applying to Adani Energy, they might ask something like, "How would you contribute to Adani's commitment to renewable energy?" At first, I was nervous. But then I remembered, interviews are a conversation. So, I talked about their goal of achieving 45 gigawatts of renewable capacity by 2030 and how I could support that with my knowledge of solar and wind energy. I said something like this: "Adani's vision for renewable energy inspires me. I'd leverage my skills in project optimization and innovation to support this transition and ensure that sustainable solutions are both scalable and cost-effective." And then came the behavioral questions, the ones that really test your character. One of them was, "Tell us about a time you failed at work. How did you handle it?" I took a deep breath and shared this. In my previous role, I missed an important project deadline due to a communication gap. Realizing my mistake, I immediately called for a meeting, clarified tasks, and created a shared timeline to ensure it didn't happen again. The project was completed successfully, and I learned the importance of clear communication. The key here is honesty. Show them you're human, but also show them you're someone who learns and grows. Finally, the day arrived. I walked in with confidence, armed with my research, my stories, and my enthusiasm to be part of something bigger. And when they asked, "Where do you see yourself contributing to the Adani Group in the next 5 years?" I knew exactly what to say. I see myself driving projects that align with Adani's mission of sustainable growth, contributing innovative ideas, and leading initiatives that leave a lasting impact on both the organization and society. And guess what? It worked. Preparing for an interview isn't just about knowing the right answers, it's about telling your story in a way that resonates with the company's journey. I hope my story helps you craft yours. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to The Girl in Cloud. Until next time, stay confident, stay prepared, and remember, you're one story away from your dream job. Bye.